Welcome to you all in my new session. Dear friends, today we are going to learn about the exercise 13.1 of the chapter surface areas and volumes. In this first sum, the question is given: two cubes, each of the volume 64 centimeter cube, are joined end to end. Then find surface area of the resulting cuboid. So here are the figure from which you can understand easily how the two cube of the same size, same shape, they are attached each other. So here I have drawn the figure of this cube, and after attaching these two cubes, the resulting cuboid, what we will get, this you can see in the figure easily. So I'll try my level best to draw the figure of this three-dimensional to understand the concept of the question. As it is given, the volume of one cube is this cube. The volume of this one cube is given 64 centimeter cube. So since the volume of this cube is 64 centimeter cube, then the question is asking find the surface area of the cuboid. Means total, after attaching these two cubes, we are getting the cuboid. So we should find out its length, breadth and height. After getting the length, breadth and height, then we can say, what we can say, then we can find the surface area of this resulting cuboid. So to find the length, breadth and height of this resulting cuboid, we should know the dimension of the first cube. Why? Because we know that the volume of one cube is 64 centimeter cube. So let us suppose that each of the volumes having the side A unit. This is A, so it is A, and the height is also A. Okay, so this will be A, it will be A, right? So as we know that in the solution of this question, what do you know? You know that the volume of cube is equals to, since volume of cube is equals to A cube. So as volume of cube is equals to A cube, and the volume of one cube is given 64 centimeter square. Therefore, this A cube is equals to 64 centimeter square. To find the value of this side A is equals to cube root of 64. So the cube root of 64 is equals to 4 centimeter. Because 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Now the sides of this cube is 4 unit. So this will be also 4 unit. Height is also the 4 unit. And the measure of this side is also 4 unit. So after attaching both the cubes, the resulting we are getting the cuboid. So the length of this cuboid will be, this length is equals to A plus A, which is 4 plus 4, that is equals to 8 centimeter. Now length of this cuboid, resulting cuboid, will be 8 centimeter, breadth is 4 and height is also 4. So we are going to find out the surface area of this resulting cuboid. So for resulting cuboid, length is equals to 8 centimeter, breadth and height, they both are equals to 4 centimeter. Length is equals to 8 centimeter, breadth and height, they both are equals to 4 centimeter. So find out the total surface area of this resulting cuboid. So as we know that the formula total surface area of resulting cuboid will be is equals to the formula is 2 multiplied by length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Okay, now substitute these values, length into breadth, breadth into height and height into length in this formula. We will get our answer. 2 multiplied by L is 8 centimeter, B is 4 centimeter, plus B is 4 centimeter, H is 4 centimeter, plus H is 4 centimeter and L is 8 centimeter. So the result is area is centimeter square. So unit we have written. Now let us simplify it. 2 multiplied by 8 4 ja 32 plus 4 4 ja 16 plus 4 8 ja 32 square centimeter. So 2 into, now after adding this we will get 32 plus 32 is 64, 64 plus 6 is 70, 70 plus 10 is 80. So 80, which is equals to 160 centimeters square. Okay, so friends, we got our required answer, which is the total surface area of this resulting cuboid after getting the attachment of these two cubes. So what is our answer? Our answer is 160 square centimeter is the total surface area of this cuboid which we got after attaching these cubes, right? Okay friends, let us see the second sum of this exercise, which is a vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. A vessel, this is the vessel, this is hollow hemisphere, and this hollow hemisphere is mounted by a cylinder that is also hollow. So we will get the hollow vessel, right? Afterwards, the given thing is the diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter, means its diameter is given. Diameter of the hemisphere is so since diameter of hemisphere is equals to 14 centimeter. As diameter of hemisphere is 14 centimeter, so what will be the radius of the hemisphere? And this radius of hemisphere, therefore radius of this hemisphere is half of this diameter, which is 7 centimeter. As the radius of hemisphere is you got, so the radius of cylinder will be also the same, because they are mounted at each other, it means their bases is same. So therefore radius of cylinder is also same, so that radius of cylinder is equals to 7 centimeter, right? So radius of the cylinder, it means this part, as this is the common radius of the hemisphere and the cylinder, right? Afterwards, given that the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeters, so this is the total height. From this point to this point, the total height of the vessel is given 13 centimeter. So we need to find out the height of the cylindrical part, this part. height of this cylindrical part will be this 13 minus radius of this is, which is 7 centimeter. So 13 minus 7 is equals to 6 centimeter. Okay, so and height of cylinder is equals to 13 minus 7, which is 6 centimeter, right? After getting these parts of the vessel, then we need to find out the inner surface area of the vessel. Inner surface area means inside of this vessel. So inside, to find the inner surface area of the vessel, therefore inner surface area of the vessel is equals to chord surface area of the hemisphere plus the chord surface area of the cylinder, means CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cylinder. Now write down the formula of the chord surface area of these two objects. So chord surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square plus chord surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r into h. So radius is the same as the radius of the cylinder is equals to the radius of hemisphere. Therefore you can take 2 pi r common from both of them. So take 2 pi r as a common. You will get r plus h. Now substitute the values of radius and height from here, the information which we have written. So radius is 7 centimeter, the value of r is 7, pi is equals to 22 upon 7, and height is 6 centimeter. So 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 into radius 7 into radius is 7 plus height is 6 centimeter square. So this is the total inner surface area of this vessel. So inner surface area, as you know that inner surface means अंदर के part का area. So simplify, 7 is cancelled, 22 to the 44 multiplied by 7 plus 6 is 13 centimeter square. So multiply it, 13 4 the 52, 13 4 the 52, 5 is carry, again 34 the 52 plus 5 is 57. So 572 centimeter square is the inner surface area of this vessel, which is formed by the combination of these two solids. So dear friends, after getting the meaning of the question, first you draw the figure which is made in your mind. After drawing the figure, then write down each and every information which is given and what we have find, it is required that information should be written. After writing the information, then you need to find the required answer, and here we have find it is inner surface area of the vessel, which is CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cylinder. So chord surface area of hemisphere, which is 2 pi r square, plus chord surface area of cylinder, which is 2 pi r h. After adding, substituting the values, we got the inner surface area of this vessel, which is 572 centimeter square, right? Okay dear friends, so let us see the third sum, which is a toy is in the form of a cone. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. Means the radius of this cone is equals to the radius of this hemisphere, right? If the total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter, then find the total surface area of the toy. We need to find the total surface area of this toy, right? So as the radius of this cone is given 3.5 centimeter, so the radius of this hemisphere will be the same as the radius of this cone, right? So in the solution of this is radius of cone and radius of hemisphere, they both are same. Of hemisphere, they both are equal. Of hemisphere, which are 3.5 centimeter, right? Afterwards, given that total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter, so we need to find the height of cone also. So to find the height of this cone, we have to subtract the radius of this hemisphere from 15.5. So we got 15.5 minus 3.5, which is equals to 12 centimeter is the height of the cone. So therefore height of cone is equals to 15.5 means total height minus the height of the hemisphere, which is 3.5, that is radius of the hemisphere, and this is equals to 12 centimeter, right? Okay, after getting the height of the cone, then question is asking find the surface area of the toy. So to find the surface area of this whole toy, which is the combination of this cone and the hemisphere, so you know that the chord surface area of cone is pi r into L. So we need to find out the slant height of this cone. So to find the slant height of this cone, we have the formula L square is equals to h square plus r square. So let us find first of all the slant height of this cone. Okay, so since we know that L square is equals to h square plus r square, so the value of height of this is 12 centimeter, 12 square, and r is radius is 3.5 centimeter square. So which is 144 plus 3.5 into 3.5 we need to calculate first of all. 3.5 into 3.5. So we got 12.25 is of this is. So after getting the square of this 3.5, so 12.25, add these two. So after adding it, we will get 4 to 6, 5, 156.25 is the value of L square. Okay, so L is equals to under root 156.25. So to find the square root of this 156.25, so let's find the square root of this is 156.25. So 1, afterwards 1 is adding in this 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3 So 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, it will be more. So 2 is written here, 2 2s are 4 plus this is, so 56, 22 2s are 44, which is 2 1, and 25 is after that decimal, 2 is adding, we will get 24. Now we have to take 5, so 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 22, and 5 2s are 10 plus 2 is 12. So therefore the square root of this is 12.5 centimeter is the slant height of this cone, which is this part, 12.5 centimeter, right? And it is the value of small l. With the help of the formula L square is equals to h square plus r square, we got the value of slant height of this cone, and the slant height of this cone is came 12.5 centimeter, right? Now we are going to find out the total surface area of the toy. So to find the total surface area of the toy, we need the chord surface area of this hemisphere plus chord surface area of the cone. So as we got L is equals to 12.5 centimeter, right? After getting this 12.5 centimeter, so as in the video, now I am going to rub this thing so we can find this total surface area of the toy. So dear students, you need to be careful. You have to how to write down there in your notebook. This you can understand, you can rewind the video, then you can note down it, right? As Dia was saying, sir, that the solution of the question, do not rub it, it is, but it is our mandatory to rub, because the remaining portion we cannot solve here in this part. So I am going to rub, you need to find the solution of till here. After that we are going to find out that the total surface area of the toy. So to find the total surface area of the toy is, therefore total surface area of the toy is equals to chord surface area of hemisphere plus chord surface area of cone. Chord surface area of hemisphere is the formula 2 pi r square plus chord surface area of cone is pi r into L. Now substitute, if something is common, pi r is common from both, so you can take the common, pi r is taken common, so you got 2r plus L. The value of pi is 22 upon 7, radius is 3.5 centimeter into 2 into r is 3.5 plus L is 12.5 centimeter square is the total surface area of the toy. So this is cancel, 7 5s are 0.5 multiplied by 22, which is 11, multiplied by 3.52s are 7 plus 12.5 centimeter square, which can be written as 11 multiplied by 19.5 centimeter square. So let us multiply, 11 5s are 55, carry 5, 11 9s are 99, plus 5 is 104, carry 10, 11 1 ja 11 plus 10 is 21 centimeter square is our required answer. 214.5 centimeter square is the total surface area of the toy. So friends, at the last, I want to say from you all, read the question carefully. After getting the meaning of the question, जब तक आपको क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग अच्छे से समझ में नहीं आता है, तब तक आप अपने क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना स्टार्ट नहीं करोगे. एक बार नहीं, क्वेश्चन को जितनी बार आप रिवाइज कर सकते हो, जब तक कि आपको उसका मीनिंग अच्छे से समझ में नहीं आएगा, आप क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना स्टार्ट नहीं करोगे. और एक बार क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग समझ में आ गया, आफ्टर दैट बेस्ड ऑन दैट मीनिंग यू कैन ड्रॉ द फिगर, एंड आफ्टर फिगर सॉल्यूशन आने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. So dear students, you have to learn the formulas of the surface areas and volume as you have read in class, in your previous class. So we have to discuss these formulas there in the class also. You don't worry, right?